just put your hand on her. That way she knows you're there. There.
Hey, pretty girl.
Now, you're going to see her just kind of unwinding. Let her legs go if they just want to kick out just like that. Because you realize she's been wrapped up for 9 months that way. You're going to see her just kind of open. See that? That's what we want to see. That's it. That's it. So that's stretching and unwinding. That's it. And you can see how she's curving this way. That's the side of meningeal tension, just like that. There we go. That's it. That's it. I want to see. It's okay. Good. Look how she just relaxed. Do you feel that? Good girl. That's it. Alright. Let me just do one more. Right where your hands are. Oh, so good. That's it. That's it. You see her yawning and opening? You see a lot of yawning. Yawning doesn't necessarily mean tired. It's a release of meningeal tension, of inner tension. Look at that. That's it. Keep stretching. Keep stretching. Oh, so good. That's it. She's all done. Look at that. Yay. Did you notice her nursing more one side or the other?